Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to stop your phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. This is how to do it. Open your Snapchat app, go to your profile and click on settings. Now scroll all the way down and look for where it says contact me. Click on contact me and here you have to change the settings from friends and contacts to friends. Click on OK. Now you have to go back and look for where it says contacts. Click on it. From here, you're going to see all your contacts. These people can contact you if they install Snapchat. Now what you have to do is to click on remove synced contacts from Snapchat. It will ask you, do you want to delete contact data? Click on confirm. Now it will take you to Snapchat settings. Click on contacts at the top. By default, it is set to full access. So Snapchat is giving full access to your contacts. What you have to do from here is to click on none. Now go back. From now on, your contacts can't find you on Snapchat. Just click on not now. A simple way to confirm if this have worked for you, just go to contacts. Now click on see contacts shared with Snapchat. Here should be empty. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.